Alright, back again. What I'm going to do is just show you a couple of other ways that you can actually create different effects with watercolour pencils. Now, with what we've got here, what we'll do is we'll do it a more subtle way. So if you don't like those strong colours, you can do one of two things. Either you can press lighter, okay, which I'll do right now. Okay, so we don't have to press hard, we can just work very light. There we go, doing the same thing, same technique, just working just up to down. Okay, and we'll get very pale colours because we're actually putting less pigment down. I'm going to work from the light colour, which is the violet, up into the browny colour. Okay, so that's nice and subtle. Now, if lines and stuff do bother you, there's something else we can do as well. And I'll show you a colour to clear. Okay, what I'll do, get a nice strong colour, Graphitint. And I'll show you how to do a nice little watercolour blend. And this is just like working with watercolours. So what we'll do, I'm going to just start with water. And I've got the watercolour pencil here. What I'm going to do is just wet it a little bit, and I'm going to touch that on the top. You can do it the other way. You can start at the top and work down. Okay, and as I go higher, I'm just going to put a bit more pigment down. What I can do, just get some stronger. I'm really rubbing that into the pencil there. And what I can do is get very much like a watercolour technique. As a matter of fact, I'm using this like what they call a watercolour pan. Okay, and it's just a solid bit of watercolour dried out. And I'll try that going from a colour to colour. And we'll work from the top this time because you're probably a bit confused seeing me work up. What I'll do is I'm going to start with a light colour first. We're going to use this Lyra Violet. Okay. If we want to, we can actually just add a bit of water, blend that out. We'll get the darker colour here. Wet this a bit, and we can start changing the tone. How's that? Very subtle and smooth, and there's none of this textural type of thing happening. Okay. A couple of other little tricks we can do. We can actually work into wet. So we're just going to start off just with a wet panel, wet patch here. What I can do is I can do lines into it. Okay, I like this for sort of grasses and seaweed or trees. You can twist your pencil here and just lift off. You get really nice textures. See that? I'm twisting as I go. And make great cracks actually. I'm twisting, backing off with your pressure. Look at where I'm holding the pencil. Right back. I'll grab another colour, and that's actually not much different, but hey, look, it's mainly the technique. You can practice it. And the last little trick we can use is we're going to wet the actual pencil. So just come here. So I've just dipped it in the water. Okay. I'll grab a lighter one. So you can get some nice effects. And we can also add the watercolor technique, just watering it out. We can do a little bit of a blend there. Okay, making a soft edge.